Tu preferisto and yeso?
No, you'll be in.
Sí.
Ciao, mis amigos.
All right. Pretty good there, huh? Pretty good. There you go. So bad.
I just can't tell that we're reading it.
I
She
understand
did last
that
time.
they need to
Yeah, but
We
we
were like
only
staring at the
We
ground.
only read one board.
presentations.
She gives us like 3 days to memorize it. We get 2 days to write it, 1 day to memorize it, and then
See what-
perform it
But I
the
mean,
next day in class.
It's
No?
hard. It's hard enough for kids to get up in English, let alone a foreign language.
And he puts on
I
his
have
face.
seventh graders.
Didn't
in here.
Alex
I mean,
run to
they
the bed
totally
like,
cry
yeah.
when they want to get up.
Get up in front of the class.
So hard for
He goes
them.
over
It
the
really,
tent.
really is. And I said most
And didn't he, like,
adults
start
don't like to
bleeding
get up in
everywhere?
front of people. So
Are we gonna play this for
a
the
bunch
junior
of kids
try
in
and
a
do it?
foreign
Or-
language
Yeah, me and you.
with
Yeah,
other
maybe make a
classmates,
case.
because there's a couple juniors in their class.
Yeah.
You
Did
know
they
what
have
I
to
mean?
take public speaking anymore?
They don't, and you know
I had
what?
to.
So did we. I actually taught public speaking when I student taught, and I had this one boy. He was a senior. It broke my heart. He could not do it. Could not do it. So he'd come in at lunch. By the end of the semester, I had him to where he gave one speech in front of his peer, and I was like, "Hey, it was progress.
That's right.
It was progress." And,
Absolutely.
and then sweaty palms. It broke my heart to watch him. I'd be like,
And I'm like,
Well, you wouldn't use it.
I hate presenting
Yeah,
in front of the class.
So do I. That's why we always record it.
all right, well, let's say worst case scenario. If you guys put it together and you don't like what it looks like,
We have tomorrow night too.
We have to deal with it. I'm not doing it in front
well,
of
the other thing is, would your mom let you take this to school? Because you know Miss Stritzky would probably
Yeah,
give you
probably.
guys 15
during
minutes.
lunch.
Or you
We
know
have the
she,
same lunch.
You know she would.
We
And
have the
she would
same lunch 'cause
lock this
she's
in
our
her
second
room
block.
for you.
No, it's due Thursday.
She even
Oh,
just
guys,
rushed
I'm
out
kind of
there.
proud of you. I
'Cause-
thought this was due tomorrow.
Because we have 30 minutes to work on it tomorrow.
Would your mom let you bring this in?
Probably.
Miss
If
Stritzky
it's-
will lock it in her
Either
room.
I can just leave it in Linda's room.
If
she-
it's-
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Take it down to your aunt's room. Why don't you do that? Play around with it tonight. See how it goes. You know what I mean? And if you don't like where that